Good morning, everyone. We are out in Chandler, Arizona today, where we're doing a tile cleaning on some highly textured tile. So this will be exciting for you guys to see how well it cleans up as we go along. Let me turn this camera around and show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'll do a shot during the cleaning and after. It might not be very dry when we leave, so the grout won't show a whole ton lightened up, but it is. Even with us just cleaning the grout lines, it's cleaning off awesome. As you can see, this is a textured tile, meaning there's pits in it that grab the dirt and collect. You can't really get these clean unless you get on your hands and knees and you scrub it out. And look how dirty the grout is. But it is going to come clean with a little bit of elbow grease and a high pressured cleaning system.